All right, guys, this is a 2007 Saturn Vue 3.5 V6. We're going to change out the belt tensioner. Yeah, I think this is Saturn's way of saying, hey, screw you guys. There's the belt tensioner, people. And in there is a 6mm Allen. Okay? That's a Craftsman brand 6mm Allen. Okay, you notice that there's hardly any room in there to put a freaking ratchet in there. Whether it's this design, Craftsman design, right, snap-on, or even a breaker bar. What is that? There's no room in there. There's no way. You're already in there. There's no way. Once you start to crank it out, you're not going nowhere. So look at this crazy contraption I made. I took that same 6mm socket, got a 6mm combination wrench. I put it on the Allen, and you reach in there and you freaking crank it. And that's how you get it off. Of course, it's, it's very, see? That's it. That's the way I wanted to get this little screw off. Okay? Once you crack it open, then you have to spin it by hand. See if I can get this sucker out for you to show you. Oh my God. Maybe that's why Santa's not around no more. All right. That was the trick that I had to use to get this sucker out. Okay. 6mm Matco, small wrench. Stuck it in there. What a pain in the butt. All right. That's it. Ciao for now.